What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss about the comparison between Schwab, Fidelity, Vanguard and the Robinhood. We will talk about a bunch of stuff that is really necessary in order to find the comparison. So the first thing is that the comparison between the fee structure for the Robinhood, Vanguard, Fidelity and Schwab. So as Robinhood does not charge fee or commissions to trade, and there are no inactivity fees or fees for moving money in or out of your account, and very few non-trading fees. Instead, Robinhood makes money by pocketing the small differences between the buying and selling price of an asset. The This generates very little money, typically only pennies or less per share traded. But over millions of transactions, those pennies added up. Robinhood Gold also offers margin trading to subscribe who pay a $5 monthly fee, which allows margin trading and 7.5% interest rate. And as of April 2023 till 4.4 APY on the idle cash. So Vanguard when trading Vanguard mutual funds and ETFs, you won't face any commission fees on those trades. You also avoid commission charges on hundreds of non-Vanguard ETFs and mutual funds when you buy online. Trading individual stock on Vanguard, which charges a $20 annual account service, will cost you $7 per trade. Minimum balance for mutual funds range from $1,000 to $100,000. The firm recently lowered minimum investments on many low-cost Admiral Share Index mutual funds from $10,000 to $3,000. Now the Fidelity. Fidelity lets customer trade stocks, ETFs, and bonds free of charge. There are several thousand no-fee mutual funds. Fidelity charges $49.95 to trade funds that earned on its non-fee list. Options trading costs $0.65 per contract. There is also a zero expense ratio for Fidelity funds. The depository for interest company foreign settlement is $50 per trade. Fidelity margin interest rates range from a low of 8.75% to a high of 13.075%. Its lowest rate is for margin of 1 million or more dollars. So let's talk about Schwab. Schwab collects no commission fee from online trades of stocks and exchange traded funds, which are known as ETFs. Option trades are commission free and but there are a fee of 0.65 per option contract. OTC trades are free. Schwab's robo-advisor accounts have a $5,000 minimum with no fee. Investor with a minimum of 25,000 will incur a $300 charge upon opening an account plus a $30 monthly advisory fee. Schwab charges no commission for bonds, but futures cost $1.5 per contract. Customer service is free. So this is the fee structure of all the four trading and investing platforms. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.